Hi everyone, I'm Krishnavini studying in Ignite IAS, pursuing intermediate second year HEC. I have secured 489 out of 500 in my intermediate first year. You might be knowing about your goals, UPSC Civil Service examination, and the factual information available in the internet. But personally, me, after joining into this institute, the toughness and the competition involved in the examination was known. The best environment for the student, along with the friendly faculty, is available here. People over here helps the student how to prepare, learn the concept, etc. It is basically a concept-based understanding. This institute not only teach what is there in the books, but it also in the reality. This institute provides with the best schedule where we can balance all the civil service classes with a highly experienced faculty. This institute provides with the monthly current affairs like Astra, magazines, Samiksha and Sumedha exams were also conducted in this institute. This institute provides with the multinational speakers, dealt with the real life stories of the civil servants. This institute not only focus on the studies but also in the curriculum activities such as cultural programs and the physical programs were conducted in this institute. Directors of this institute will interact with us so the problems of the students will be solved. Main aim of this institute is to crack the UPSC Civil Service examination in the first attempt. So I hope this is the best institution where everyone can achieve their goals. Thank you.